President Rodrigo Roa Duterte!
Yeah! Isang malakas na sigaw! We are our incredible resilience as Davaoenyo, the unwavering spirit of standing together as one. Together we are Davao. Together we are unstoppable. 88 years strong, one Davao and going strong.
Isang malaking sigaw!
Duterte! Duterte! Duterte!
We have our former Mutyan ng Davao, Hannah Malpisio!
At sino naman ang nagsabing walang supporter? Si Tatay Digong!
O, iba!
Tatawa-tawa pa ang nagsabing walang supporters? Sinong supporters niya? Papayag ba kayo nun?
Hindi ito edited! Hindi na kayang i-edit ang dami ng taong sumusuporta sa kanya! Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat!
At habang naglalakad tayo, isigaw na natin ang nasa loob natin!
Duterte! Duterte! Duterte!
At ang sigaw ng mga Davaoenyos ay...
We will never get tired until you are home in Davao! Tatay Digong!
We are waiting for your comeback time! Mabuhay ang Davao! Mabuhay ang Pilipinas!
Daghang salamat sa inyong sakripisyo, sa inyong matagalin ng adlawon just to join this event, this very momentous event. Something unique that we celebrate our 88th araw ng Davao. This is a very special moment for everyone.
Today, we made a history that the people will never forget!
Today is the day when the world will never forget who we stand for as Davaoenyos.
the spirit that we have here right now is radiating all the way to the Hague, Netherlands. And we are really praying for the immediate release of our Tatay Digong. Maraming salamat na Boenyo. Ang haba pa nito. More than 3,000 of you shouting the same name.
Alam niyo ba, hindi lang sinasabi nila na ito yung mga ordinary citizen ng Davao City o ng Davao. Kayo po ay sinasamahan din kahit yung mga milyonaryo kasama nyo ngayon. May mga sampung sasakyan kasama nyo ngayon. Yung mga nakatira dyan sa Bolivar sama-sama ngayon. Yung nakatira doon sa Kapantian kasama nyo ngayon. Sama-sama tayong lahat para kay Tatay Digong.
Mahirap, mayaman!
Grabe, napansin nyo ba? Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao talaga ito kahit sa ibang bansa. Oh, di ba? Hindi talaga ito maawat. Hindi talaga siya maawat. Kahit dun sa mismong Netherlands. Di ba? Kaya kahit anong sabihin nila na yung isang nagpapakalat dyan na fake news na wala na raw supporter ang Tatay Digong. Pero tingnan mo ito. Kahit sa Liwasang Bonifacio, hindi nila maawat yung tao.
Nagkaisa para kay Tatay!
Di ba? Hindi talaga nila maawat. Cebu, Leyte, sa parting Isabela, malala ito.
So, hindi totoong walang nagmamahal kay Tatay Digong. Totoo ba walang nagmamahal sa kanya?
Ang daming nagmamahal hindi lang dito sa Davao, but also in the different parts of the world kung saan merong Pinoy. Barangay 23-C joins the Solidarity Walk for FPRRD.
Barangay 14-B Community.
We call for justice, we feel for our beloved and respected former president.
Ito barangay namin. Barangay Alfonso Angyong Marcini. Mga kabarangay. Barangay Salsa. Lea, mga barangay mo.
Mga taga-Sansa, mag-ingay! Walay Sansa! Asa ba taga-Sansa?
Barangay 3-A. Magingay ng Malacan.
Bawal, bawal.
I didn't really expect na ganito kadami. I was only, looking at 1,000. Boy, this looks like 5,000 of them joining here this morning. Maraming salamat po.
Barangay Komunal!
Yes, protect the Filipino people.
Now let's welcome
Join
ang
us.
pagsik ng 2nd Congressional District Contingent!
Dear Tatay Digong, kami imong mga anak nagpaabot sa imong pagulit diri sa Davao. We are stronger and we will be louder for you, FPRRD. See you sa imong birthday po, Tay. We love you.
Barangay Tumoy.
Barangay Tumoy, mabuhay. Mabuhay kayong lahat.
Barangay Pampanga.
Barangay Anglongko.
Itaas ang banner para we can read, I am not a sub-Saharan for nothing!
Yes! Oh, yes!
From the beautiful people of Wakanda!
Tatay Digong home!
Home! Bring Tatay Digong! Home! Bring Tatay Digong!
Home! Bring Tatay Digong home! Bring Tatay Digong home!
We will say President Duterte and you say bring him home!
Duterte!
Bring him home!
President Duterte!
Bring him home!
President Duterte!
Bring him home!
We now welcome Barangay Panakan! Standing strong for FPRRD! We are not Filipinos for nothing! Duterte! Bring him home!
This is how we made our workflow better than ever with Monday.com.
Gagawa tayo ng
We gave our team one
gawa tayo ng
centralized
online
workspace where
survey.
we could easily manage all
kasi
workflows.
may nabasa ako na na laos na raw. Laos na raw yung mga Duterte. Ito gagawa ko ng online survey oh. May nakita ko diyan eh, may nag-comment diyan eh. O dito magkaalaman. 'Di ba? Pag pinost ko to.
Bring him home!
Ang dami pa!
Hindi pa natatapos!
Barangay Wilfredo Aquino!
We are not a Filipino for nothing. We stand with FPRRD. We protect the Filipino people. Bring back the President Duterte.
President Duterte!
Bring him home!
President Duterte!
Bring him home!
For President Duterte!
Bring him home!
Davao Women's Volleyball Alliance. No, we stand strong for our PRRD. Okay, sabay-sabay nating sisigaw. President Duterte, bringing home, bringing home. President Duterte,
Bring him home! Bring him home!
President Duterte,
Bring him home! Bring him home!
President Duterte.
Bring him home! Bring him home!
Barangay Ubalde. Barangay Ubalde.
Barangay Mahayag! Unawan District!
Nakaka-goosebumps watching these people showing the solid support for our former president. If only
If only Tatay
he can
Digong
see
can
what
see
we are
this.
doing.
Barangay Kabatian! Taas ang kamot!
Bring him home! Bring him home!
President Duterte! Bring him home!
Mabuhay tayong lahat,
We stand in your...
mga Davaoenos.
Maraming
Thank you.
salamat po sa inyong suporta.
Thank you for standing behind our former president.
This will definitely make a difference.
Barangay Munawan proper! Bring him home! Bring him home!
Team Apostol!
Did you know it costs you only 5,400?
Grabe. Scroll ako ng FB page ko. Walang laman kundi puro Duterte. Mga survey, kaliwa kanan. Malala, di ba? Buong mundo talaga.
And Barangay Buhangin! With Cap Omar Duterte!
People from Davao City, from all walks of life, coming together, standing behind our former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Maraming salamat po.
Standing together, walking together with one common goal, to bring Tatay Digong back home.
This is showing our love and gratitude to our former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Hindi po pinilit lang mga tao na pumunta dito.
Yes.
Pusang loob po, with all their heart. Maraming salamat po.
People even spend their own money from their own pocket para lang makarating dito. Printing t-shirts,
Gumising na madaling araw.
banners. Hindi po pera ng bayan ang ginamit dito. Sarili namin pera.
Hindi po to bayaran.
We have Barangay Governor Pasiano, Bangoy Agdao.
Panay-panay yung hagis ko.
Mabuhay ang Pilipinas, mabuhay.
Tiyan mo, si Chef po nag-post. Cocinero sa RL. Oh. Duterte. Lahat.
Mabuhay ang former President natin, Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Di tayo bayad! Di kami bayad! This is blood, sweat, and tears from the people of Davao, showing our solid support, standing behind with FPRRD! Barangay Izon, Vincent Izon Sr. May buntag sa tanan. Dad!
Di kami bayad.
Di kami bangat.
At ayaw namin magpabayad. Because kusang loob natin tong ginagawa. Showing our support, our love, and
We have a
gratitude.
group from Councilor Mirna Dalado Ortiz Dokmata. Dokmata is here.
Bangat!
Mabuhay ka, Dok.
Grabe. Some of them went here as early as before the parade even started. Nandito na sila. Nag-aantay.
Alam mo kuya, ilang days na tayong walang tulog. Dahil di natin alam kung kailan makakabalik si Tatay Digong. But I think today, we will be able to force them to send Tatay Digong home.
Let that with all our hearts. Babalik at babalik si Tatay Digong sa atin. Maraming salamat, Davaoenyo.
We are not Filipinos for nothing!
We are doing this as one Davao. Bring FPRRD home. touching, very emotional po. Bring Duterte home. Yes.
Let's claim it! Let's claim it! Makakauwi si tatay, let's claim it!
Barangay San Antonio, Fire Brigade, Fire Rescue. Maraming salamat. Gawing support. Mabuhay tayo.
Mabuhay tayong lahat, to all the volunteers, dagang salamat sa inyong tanan.
CSU, PSSO.
There are,
Salamat po.
yes, there are individuals who printed shirts to give away to the people who participated in the parade. Dagang salamat sa inyo.
Ang daming volunteers, ang daming mga tao talagang nag-alay, pagkain,
Nag-donate.
pambiling. Yes.
Salamat po.
Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much.
I'm sure Tatay Digong would say the same to each one of you.
And as always says, we say, President Duterte, bring him home!
Bring him home!
Bring him home! President Duterte,
Bring him home! We stand with FPRRD! Mabuhay Tatay Digong! We stand behind you! Yes, thank you very much for your time!
PDRMC Barangay Mintal,
At hindi po di...
PDRMC 19-B,
Yes!
One of the legacies of Tatay Digong, the 911.
Yes! The first in Davao City.
The first in Asia.
Yes! At hindi po dito nagtatapos ang ating parada Davaoenyo. Kung gusto nyo po, you can proceed at San Pedro Square. Later tonight, we have Hungyaw, Davao. The show at Davaoenyo. Yes! It's a gathering of all the leaders in Davao and this is
Maraming salamat po mga mahal na kababayan sa mga nakaabot po sa video na to sa bandang dulo. Yan, maraming salamat po. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. At mabuhay po ang mga matatalinong Filipino. Yan, sunod po natin na video ay itong nakakagulat. Yang batikang aktor na si Cesar Montano, tumistigo na. Yan po ang kasunod nating video. Kaya stay tuned po. Sa mga hindi pa po nakaka-subscribe dyan, yan, pa-subscribe naman po at pa-hit na rin po ng notification bell. Para every time po tayo mag-upload, lagi po tayo nakasubaybay. Hanggang sa muli po, paalam.